What is going on today, YouTube? So we are back, and here it is, what I've been waiting for. Got a couple aftermarket lights in here. Another video I'll be doing a little later, but for right now, we're gonna do these side marker lights here. And if you have a Chrysler 200, this is what you'll get. So I had this tinted, and this is actually an LED bulb inside of there. And I mean, it did its justice, you know, it does its yielding or whatever it's supposed to do, but it doesn't, you know, look good. And I always thought, like, man, I wonder what you could do. And I thought of like putting like LED strips and stuff like to light this area up, but I always thought, no, it's just, I don't want to be too flashy, you know. But I was just browsing through looking for some daytime running lights to install, and I came across these. I picked these up for about $36, I think, pre-smoked, everything. And I mean, that is really nice. But what I fell in love with was getting rid of that nasty little one dot of light. Come up in here. It's a full LED strip, and I think it's gonna look so good. So very easy install process. Literally just pop that out, and instead of putting a bulb in, it has the actual plug is like a bulb, and that's it. And then you pretty much just push it in place, and there you go. So I'll get, you know, some footage of the process. Real simple, but I can't wait to see how it looks, guys. Well, without further ado, let's get started real well. And all you do is just take a flathead in there, pry out, and pull real gently, and there you have it. Piece of cake. So I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna plug the new one in. It's just a little clip there. I need two hands to do it, so just gonna take that out, plug in the new one, and then you'll see what it looks like. Out. That is the pin for the power. You're gonna twist this thing that's in there counterclockwise, and it will open up. And there you see I have my LED in there. You just remove that light and insert that into the place of the LED, and it should power it right up, guys. That is an insane light difference. My God, like, it's beating off my hand. It's bright. That's gonna look so good at night. So I'm gonna get this put in place and get the other one on, and get you some footage of before and afters. And I really think you guys should pick this up if you got a 2015 plus Chrysler 200. $30 makes it look so much better up front. Just a FYI, guys, if your car is a jerk like mine, there's a 5/8 bolt, or I'm sorry, 5/16 bolt right here where my finger is, holding the wheel well plastic on right there. Just because this little plug right here keeps trying to tuck way back in there every time I try to grab it, it just falls further back. So I just popped this off, and now I got easy access to get two hands in here. I can even get one in here and pull it right out. So there it was. You can see without the light on there, it looks really good. I mean, the smoke looks really nice, looks professional, it doesn't look stupid, doesn't look tacky. For an aftermarket part, it looks pretty good. So I absolutely love the lighting of it. It emits so much more light. It looks more luxurious up front, looks more aggressive, you know, all in the same. Would highly recommend. So if you guys like the video, drop a like, comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you would get them, or if you don't like them at all. Subscribe, and until next time, guys, peace.